बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूं मोहम्मद तुफैल और आप देख रहे हो मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग हब। आज की हमारी वीडियो का टॉपिक है लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894 अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस ऑफ एजुकेशन टेस्टिंग काउंसिल फॉर द बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू गिलगित बल्तिस्तान। पार्ट 1 हमने डिस्कस किया है, इसमें हम पार्ट 2 डिस्कस कर लेंगे जिसमें 20 MCQs हैं। चलो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Who shall acquire the land after publication of declaration? ऑप्शंस हमारे पास हैं कमिश्नर, नाइब तहसीलदार, तहसीलदार, कलेक्टर। The right option is option A. Commissioner shall acquire the land after publication of declaration. Next question is, a company which acquires land under this act cannot transfer the land by sale, mortgage, gift, lease or otherwise except with the previous sanction of the options हमारे पास है फेडरल गवर्नमेंट, सिटी डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नमेंट, प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट। The right option is option D, provincial government. Next question is, after the issuance of notification, within how many days objection to the acquisition of land can be raised? Options हमारे पास हैं 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. The right option is option C, 30 days. Next question is, objections against the acquisition of land shall be made in writing. Options हैं assistant commissioner, commissioner, board of revenue, collector. The right option is option D, collector. Next question is, upon whose cross objection the court may reduce the amount awarded by the collector. Options हमारे पास हैं the provincial government, a local authority, a company, all of above. The right option is option D, all of above. Next question is, matters to neglected in determining compensation are provided in which section? Options हमारे पास हैं section 15, section 23, section 24, section 25. The right option is option C, section 24. Next question is, if any person does not accept the award, what he can do? Options हैं file a civil suit, request the collector to refer the matter to court, refuse the disposition, none of these. The right option is option B, request the collector to refer the matter to the court. Next question is, in cases of urgency, the collector shall at the time of taking possession offer to the person interested compensation for the options हमारे पास हैं standing crops, standing trees, damage caused by sudden dispossession, all of above. The right option is option D, all of above. Next question is, what is the limitation period for raising objections against the award if the person was present or presented before the collector at the time of making award? Options हैं 1 month, 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months. The right option is option B, 6 weeks. Next question is, the provincial government may, if it has not accepted the award, refer the matter to the court within a period of, options हमारे पास हैं 1 month, 8 months, 6 months, 3 months. The right option is option C, 6 months. Next question is, in making the reference to the court, what the collector shall state for the information of the court? हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं land situation and extent of the court, the names of the person interested, the amount awarded for damage, all of the above. The right option is option D, all of above. Next question is, upon whom the court shall serve the notice for appearance before the court to determine the objection. Options हमारे पास हैं the applicant, all persons interested, the collector, all of the above. The right option is option D, all of above. Next question is, where the proceedings for the land acquisition shall take place. Options हमारे पास हैं in open court, in high court, in session court, in board of revenue. The right option is option A, in open court, खुली कचहरी में. Next question is, for how long period temporary occupation of waste or arable land can be procured. Options हमारे पास हैं not exceeding 1 year, not exceeding 2 years, not exceeding 3 years, not exceeding 4 years. The right option is option C, not exceeding 3 years. Next question is, collector means the collector of district and include a, options हमारे पास हैं district officer revenue, any officer specially appointed by board of revenue, executive district officer revenue, all of above. The right option is C, executive district officer revenue. Next question is, in this act who may order for acquiring the land for public benefits. हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं कलेक्टर, चेयरमैन, सीनियर मेंबर ऑफ बोर्ड ऑफ रेवेन्यू, none of these. The right option is option A, collector. Next question is, the Land Acquisition Act 1894 was passed on. ये पास कब हुआ था? 2 February 1894, 2 February 1898, 2 February 1899, 2 February 1896. The right option is option A, 2 February 1894. Next question is, when the Land Acquisition Act 1894 came into the force, ये लागू कब हुआ था? 25th February 1898, 23rd October 1888, 24th August 1878, 1st March 1894. The right option is option D, 1st March 1894. Next question is, who was the Viceroy of India at the time of enforcement of द लैंड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894? ऑप्शंस हमारे पास हैं लॉर्ड डफरिन, लॉर्ड एलिगन, लॉर्ड कर्जन, लॉर्ड रीडिंग. The right option is option B, Lord Elgin. Next question is, who is competent to give final decision on the sanctions against acquisition of land? Options हमारे पास हैं collector, commissioner, assistant commissioner of board of revenue, none of these. The right option is option B, कमिश्नर. वीडियो देखने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट. मिलते हैं दूसरी वीडियो में. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह निगहबान.